So what's cooking in Sister Kate's kitchen today? The eggs are up top to keep them cooler so they don't burn. The stove's heated up because I added some more wood to it. So there are the turkey meatball Brussels sprout halves ready to be eaten. And we've got the last of the dog treats in the big pot. The rest are finished. So with that, y'all, I'm going to eat this breakfast. Here we have leftover colcannon, which is a kind of Irish mashed potato with turkey bacon and some cabbage and onion in it, and then 2 farm fresh eggs. This is going to be breakfast, and the whole reason that I used or cooked the burger was to get some beef grease, because potatoes taste better when cooked in beef suet versus, say, peanut oil, or butter's pretty good, but butter will burn at a much lower temperature. And so this is going to impart some flavor to these eggs and potatoes. And that's our turkey meatballs also done. So I need to get them out. We have the wood stove going because it was kind of cold this morning. But when the wood stove's going, I can't just leave it alone. So I had to do a little cooking on it today. Let's take a peek. What we have going on here, these dog treats from some flour that went Weevilly. So those are in a heavy flat bottom pan. And then right next door is lunch for people who want to do the carnivore diet, right? One for me, one for my husband, and a little bit of onion for flavoring. And then in that grease left over from that, I will make eggs. Now this may look messy like water, but that's actually oil, and it's good for the top of the stove to have oil. Hot water for our tea or coffee. And then the finished dog snacks are here. And I wanted to show you how much the dogs really like these. So we have a willing participant over here in the kitchen. He's willing to eat it even though it's pretty darn hot. And then one more thing in the oven. Turkey meatballs with Brussels sprouts, baking also for later. I think that's a pretty good morning. Burgers are done. Time to get them off the heat. I'm going to leave that little guy in there just because. All right, so those are ready.